always tell us when it gets hot.
Sunscreen, stay hydrated.
And go to the coast.
And today, today she is not on the coast. She is poolside in Fresno talking about the specifics of keeping safe in the sun. All right, Heidi, give us the lowdown.
That's right. We were talking all about sun safety. It's very important, especially since summer has officially started. I'm joined by Dr. Uma Rao, and she is an internist at the Chestnut Medical Group, and she's been telling us all these fun facts about sunscreen and sun safety that not everybody knows. First one we're going to talk about, we were distinguishing between UVA and UVB rays and why you need to be covered for both of them. Tell us a little bit about that.
Well, most sunscreens have UVB, which is basically for the rays that burn you, but UVA age you. And people with really porcelain skin, such as yourself, are at risk more for wrinkling and dark spots. So it's very important when you look at sunscreens to make sure that it says UVA as well as UVB protection.
So broad spectrum, if you see that, we are good to go. Another thing we were talking about was that if you wear sunscreen, especially on a daily basis, it helps with wrinkles.
Yes, I know. I just really try to appeal to vanity because sometimes people don't care about the actual medical aspect, but UVAs cause aging and wrinkling. So if you can just put that sunscreen on, you can maybe save 10-15 years of your photo aging damage.
Okay guys, 10-15 years, you can't really argue with that. Another thing we were talking about was everybody goes outside, and the plus of it is you get some vitamin D, but if you're lathering all of this on, is that going to prevent you from getting the vitamin D?
No, because we get vitamin D from our diet, you know, our juices, milk, salmon, eggs, they're all high in vitamin D, so that should not be a worry, and we can also get supplements.
Okay, perfect. And another myth we want to go over. A lot of people seem to think that indoor tanning is a safe way to go. That's not the case.
No, that myth actually makes me cringe because indoor tanning is the worst thing you can do.
Okay, well guys, no indoor tanning, wear the sunscreen, look for broad spectrum, and we'll have more details coming up. George, Karina, back to you.